Summer Heightsman, and I'm Acting Apprenticeship Delivery Manager for East Sussex College Group.
Rosemary Aitken. I've been doing my apprenticeship for a year and a half now, and I'm doing level 3 business admin.
We employ mainly business admin here at the college, but we also do AAT, which is different levels. That'll be level 2 to right through to level 4. We have previously delivered for customer service here in the students facing roles like student services, and we also do management. So any managers could do an apprenticeship alongside their role to gain a level 3 or level 5 management qualification. The key skills I'll be looking for in an apprentice is communication. We have to communicate with a lot of learners and a lot of employers, and if you don't have those skills, it can be difficult for anyone stepping into a role.
I decided to do an apprenticeship because I didn't want to go into university or any sort of higher education that way, but I still wanted to come out of it with a qualification, and also I felt like it gave me the work experience that I would need to get into another job.
Apprentices are supported by a mentor, so every apprentice should have a mentor that's employed by the company that will support them in their course and their tasks as well. They will all have a work-based learning assessor, that's someone that's qualified in that industry or sector. So for example, our apprentice has a business admin assessor, she'll support her through the qualification and any problems at work.
So my manager, Summer, has been so helpful during my apprenticeship. She's taught me absolutely everything I've needed to know, and she's always been there for me to ask her questions. She's always happy to help. My assessor as well, she's been really helpful with any issues that I've had. She helped me find this job, and yeah, she's been really great.
Somebody should come and do an apprenticeship here because we offer a good apprenticeship programme, and learners get to learn whilst they're working, which is an important factor to most people. If you ever moved on in the future, a lot of employers would see that you've done an apprenticeship and you've got the work-based skills to move forward.
I think other companies should take on an apprentice because it is such a great experience for the apprentice. It allows them to work whilst they learn, and you gain so much experience that you wouldn't have gained if you were to do it in just like an educational setting. Like dealing with colleagues, how to speak to them all, different types of communications like emails and stuff, because I didn't have any experience with that before I started working here.